Hello dear students, let us continue with exercise 12.1. The next question is question number 3. Find the value of the following. Again, here we are going to use the laws of exponents for solving the sum. So the first one is 3 raised to 0 plus 4 raised to minus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to 2. We have learned that any number raised to 0 is 1. So 3 raised to 0 is 1 plus any number raised to negative power will become its reciprocal. So 4 raised to minus 1 is 1 upon 4 multiplied by 2 raised to 2. What is 2 raised to 2? 2 2s are 4. Now find the LCM. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 1 5 upon 4 multiplied by 4. How will you get this 5 upon 4? 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5 whole upon 4 and then multiply by this 4. So 4 gets cancelled and we get 5. The next question is 2 raised to minus 1 into 4 raised to minus 1 divided by 2 raised to minus 2. So 2 raised to minus 1 means 1 upon 2 multiplied by 1 upon 4 whole divided by 2 raised to minus 2, that is 1 upon 2 raised to 2. So when you do this, we get 1 upon 8 divided by 1 upon 4, which is equal to 1 upon 8 into 4, that is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay. Now here 1 upon 2 raised to minus 2 plus 1 upon 3 raised to minus 2 plus 1 upon 4 raised to minus 2. All are negative powers. But here we cannot use the exponential rule directly because here it is plus. So first we can use it for converting it into positive powers. So how will you write 1 upon 2 whole raised to minus 2? That is 2 raised to 2. Similarly, this is 3 raised to 2 and this is 4 raised to 2. What is 2 square? 4. 3 square? 9. 4 square? 16. So, when you add this, what will you get? 16 plus 9? 25 plus 4? 29. The next one, direct answer you can write. Here it is 3 raised to minus 1 plus 4 raised to minus 1 plus 5 raised to minus 1 whole raised to 0. We have learned that any number raised to 0 is 1. So no need to work out. If you work out, you will get 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 5 whole raised to 0. Then find LCM and add and lots of steps. Instead of that, directly here this complete bracket raised to 0. So any number raised to 0 is 1. So direct answer you can write. And here what is the law? Power of powers. What is the power of power? What do? We multiply the power. So that is equal to minus 2 upon 3 whole raised to 2 2s are 4. And here there is a minus sign. Because it is minus 2 into 2, minus 4. Now how to convert it into positive? Write the reciprocal of this. That is 3 upon minus 2 whole raised to 4. That is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 upon minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. 3 3s are 9, 9 9s are 81. upon all are negative, but 4 times negative will be positive. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 2s are 16. So our answer is 81 upon 16. And if you are asked to write the answer in exponential form, the answer gets over here, minus 3 upon 2 whole raised to 4. The next question is question number 4. Evaluate. Again we have to find the value. Here it is 8 raised to minus 1, that is 1 upon 8 multiplied by 5 raised to 3 is 5 raised to 3. Okay, upon 2 raised to minus 4. 2 raised to minus 4 means 1 upon 2. Here it will become 1 upon 2 raised to 4. Now when you divide a fraction by another fraction, we know what to do. Multiply by the reciprocal. So it will become 2 raised to 4. Now what is 8? If you want to use exponential rule again, here 8 is 1 upon 2 cube into 5 cube into 2 raised to 4. Use the exponential rule. We get 5 cube into 2 raised to 4 minus 3. That is 5 cube into 2. What is 5 cube? 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. 125 into 2 is 250. Now here 5 raised to 1 into 2 raised to 1 into 6 raised to minus 1. So here 5 raised to 1 means 5. 2 raised to 1 means 2. So this is 10 into 6 raised to minus 1. That is 10 into 1 upon 6. When you can do cancellation, 3 2s are and 5 2s are. That is 5 upon 3. That's all for today. In the next video, next class, we will complete the exercise. Thank you.